To begin, measure 8 to 10 feet of wool. Create a slip knot by placing the tail end over the working yarn. Now, slip one hand through the loop and pull up the working yarn connected to the source. Tighten until a slip knot forms, and you're ready to cast on your first row of stitches. To cast on, loop the tail ends of the slip knot around your opposite hand's index finger and thumb. Slip your hand under the loop made on your opposite hand's thumb and cast the stitch onto your hand. Now, the fun part begins. Knit the body of the blanket by pulling a loop from the working yarn through each stitch, emulating the knit stitch. Continue arm knitting until you have around 7 yards of wool left. To finish, cast off to ensure your stitches don't unravel. Pull up loops into the first and second stitches as normal. Take the second loop and insert it through the first loop. You've successfully cast off the first stitch. Continue this process for all stitches, pulling up a loop on the next stitch and pulling it through the previous one. At the end, cut the tail, pull through the final loop, and discreetly weave the end into the backside of the blanket. Like, comment, subscribe.